Hi everyone, welcome to maths video, class 6th, chapter 18, and we are studying we are still on introduction of algebraic expression. Very important chapters. One of the very important chapters are for the, like, it's there in next classes also. Okay, so please go through, revise again and again. I told you to read it many times, then only you will understand the details. Okay, so today I am explaining directly from the textbook because it's important. So types of algebraic expression, we have seen algebraic expressions when terms are connected by using plus and minus sign, we say it becomes an algebraic expression. All right, multiplication and division are not allowed. They are multiplication and division can be included in terms, not in connecting of the terms. Okay, so types of algebraic expression. So we have different types of algebraic expressions in which monomial, binomial, trinomial, as the name suggests, mono means one, bi means two, tri means three. So monomial is an algebraic expression in which only one term, with only one term is called monomial. Means we have seen in last video one term, many examples we have seen. So minus 8 comma 8 comma means this term, this expression is finished. Then second expression, third expression, fourth, fifth, sixth. So these are all one term. Okay, so these are monomials. So monomials are the algebraic expression with only one term. Then binomial, as the name says, bi means two terms. So an algebraic expression of two unlike terms is called binomial. Unlike terms is very important here. Unlike terms means which are not similar at all. So 5x plus 2y. So x and y are two different. 5x and 2y are unlike terms. So when they are connected with plus or minus, it will become an algebra. It will become a binomial, means with two unlike terms. So here 7 and x, again two unlike terms, two unlike terms, two unlike terms. All right. Here also, if you'll see this example, 2a plus, this is these 1 and 2 unlike terms connected with plus. So two terms, and both are two unlike terms. Okay, so an algebraic expression with two unlike terms is called binomial. So look here, why it is unlike terms. If you'll add two like terms, you have to add it. Means you can add, if suppose it is 2a plus 3a. So when 2, you'll study in this class only that when two like terms are there, we have to add them. So it will become 5a. So they are one term only. Okay. So finally it will become one term. So don't go in details now, but only remember that an algebraic expression two unlike terms is called binomial. So trinomial, an algebraic expression containing three unlike terms is called trinomial. Similarly here, you have seen here two terms were there, here three unlike terms were there. So 1, 2, 3 connected with plus, 1, 2, 3 connected with minus and plus, 1, 2, 3 connected with minus and plus, and all the three are unlike terms. So you can see here x square is there, here x is there. So they are unlike. Alright. So, but again I am telling you, 2x plus 2x plus 3x, this is not a trinomial. Why? Because all these are like terms. So when you will add 3, 4, 5, 6, it will become 6x, which is monomial. Okay, this is the reason. Then next you will see multinomial. An algebraic expression with two or more than two terms is called a multinomial. Two or more means this or this is called as multinomial. So 3x plus 2, 5 minus x, a square minus 7x, multinomials of two terms. You will see here 1, 2, 3, 4, comma is not there. Comma means it is separation of algebraic expression. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. It's a multinomial. 2 or more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it was 2, 4, 5. If it is of 3 also, it's a multinomial. Now polynomial. An algebraic expression with one or more unlike terms is called a polynomial. Here 2 or more were there, here 1 or more were there. Remember this thing. Okay. So examples we'll see. Minus 20 comma a comma x minus x 5x comma 3xy square etc. is a polynomial. Okay, one or more. So with one term also it is there. So 1, 2, with 2 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms. So every monomial, every binomial, every trinomial and every multinomial is a polynomial. So we have seen here monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. All these 1, 2, 3, 4 are polynomial. Okay, these all 4 come under polynomial. Remember this thing, you will understand that. Okay. So very important, this green box, do never forget to read these green box and understand, children. Very, very important, these green box are there. For each literal used in a polynomial, its power must be always be a whole number. Whole number means, power means this. Here you will see 2, 3xy raised to 2. So 2 is power here. In here if you see x raised to 1 by 2, not allowed. So a polynomial cannot be in the form of 1 by x, 3x plus 5, 2x, this. Why it's not allowed? Because when they'll go up, it will become minus. So don't go in detail, because only remember these things, that this 2, when we write x raised to 5, a raised to 7, so this 5, 7 should be whole number. Whole number means what? Positive number. Okay, it should not be 1 by 2, 3 by 2, fractions or minus or points, just number. 5, 1 to infinity, any number, positive number. Okay. So terms are separated by plus and minus signs only. This we have seen. The signs of multiplication and division do not separate the terms. So when I write 2 multiplied by x, it means 2x only, means which is one term. It doesn't mean 1 and 2 terms. So when I write 2 multiplied by x, it is 2x. So when I write x by 2, it is x by 2 only. It is not that one term and second term. We have to consider 2 multiplied by x as one term only, not 2 terms. Okay, so the signs of multiplication and division do not separate the terms. Thus 3p plus 5z minus 7y has 3 terms, whereas 3p multiplied by 5z minus 7y has 2 terms only. So if you will see here, I told you terms can be only separated by plus minus, not with multiplication. So this is one term. Here you will see 1, 2, 3, no. You will say only 2 terms. This is one term and this is the second term. Separation is done only by minus and plus sign. So here finally we will write 3 5s are 15, 15pz minus 7y. So it will become 2 terms. In the same way, 8 minus 4x plus 7y plus 2z has 4 terms, whereas 8 multiplied by 4x multiplied by 7y divided by 2z only one term. So please see this. Why it has only one term? Because multiply, division. Okay, multiply, division. There is no plus or minus sign. Means it is completely one term. Okay. So finally, shall I tell you how we will write this? 4 8s are 32. 32 to 34. So multiply this. Sorry. 4 8s are 32. 32 multiplied by 7. Whatever it will come. 32 multiplied by 7 xy upon 2z will be your one term, and that 2z with z will get cancelled. So all you just keep in mind only one thing. Now if I'll explain in detail, you will be just confused, so I don't want it. This is division sign. If it is not clear, please go through. So multiply, division means there is no plus minus sign, means this is only one term. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Next we'll meet in the next video with products and factors. Again I am telling you, read it, read carefully each and every point. Very, very important chapter. Okay, and as usual, please take care.